What's up, fam? It's your boy, the baddest bobber that ever bobbed. Flipping Big Pete today. We worked out all the issues we were having. This thing flips like a dream. Sorry I haven't posted in a minute. I've been super busy. But I was kind of flipping through the channel today and I saw I'm starting to get some views, which is super cool. And what's even cooler, people are leaving comments. My guy, Lucid Flips, had a really good idea. He said we should do 3 essential Balisong tricks. So I think that's what we're gonna rock with today. Well, we're gonna go over another essential Balisong trick, and then maybe I'll do like a compilation video and a link to the other videos. Yeah, I had a moment before hitting the gym, so knock this bad boy out. Okay. The trick we're going to learn today, the index rollover. So I'm going to show you all how to do it, and then we're going to talk about why it's essential, why it's so important, right? So this trick, it's actually pretty easy. I would consider this a beginner trick. You're going to start on the bite handle, and it's a rollover, so we're going to be ending on the opposite handle. Damn, I didn't even get that in the video. So it looks like that. Here, let me get a better angle. That's what it looks like, right? You're just rolling it around your index finger. So, maybe hold it like this. I mean, you can do it at any angle, right? But I think it's easier to learn, horizontal. You want to have your index finger placed right by the pivot. And you're just going to flip out the safe handle. And like right as it's hitting your finger, or right before, you want to let go with the rest of your hand and just let it roll around. And then you catch, the opposite handle. One tip, and this goes for like all rollover tricks, you want to think about the handle landing like straight onto your finger, if that makes sense. Like, I don't want it to be crooked. Like, you don't want it to catch the side. You want this part on the handle to be flat up against your finger. And, try to keep your finger kind of straight up so it goes nice and smooth. And then if you're having trouble with the catch, because the catch can be a little awkward, you're grabbing it like right here. Right? So one trick you can do, and this is actually a good way to learn this because it's going to help you get into other combos. But you can catch it like that, right? And this kind of is a good segue into why this trick is essential, because it's used in a lot of combos. The index rollover is a great way to go from the standard grip into the ice pick grip. I don't know if I got that on camera. Let me try it again. Standard into ice pick. Kind of like how the whip rollover, you go from like an ice pick grip to standard. This is how you get to, from standard to ice pick, right? And that's why this trick is essential. So one little combo you can do, you just do index rollover. You can catch it like this, and then immediately go into a whip rollover, into a wrist pass. So looks kind of like that. And really, this index rollover into whip rollover is just a good setup. You don't have to do like the wrist pass. You can end it like that. I think going into like a shortstop is pretty dope. God, that trick's so hard for no reason. But after you land the wrist pass, you can do whatever. A little aerial. However you want to do it, make it your own. But yeah, guys. That is the index rollover. And we'll have some more videos for you guys soon. Appreciate you guys that have been watching the videos, leaving comments. You know, if you want to see anything else, there's any specific tricks you think I should learn or you see me doing that you want to learn how to do, let me know, man. We'll do a video. But all right, I gotta head to the gym. So until next time, peace.